Good day mga boss! Welcome po sa ating channel, Math Tutorials TV. In this video, we are going to discuss the divisibility rules for 9 and 11. Or we are going to determine if a certain number is divisible by 9 or 11. Are you ready? Let us start. Yung una natin Yung una nating i-discuss mga boss is the divisibility rule for 9. So, ano ba yung divisibility rule for 9? So, malalaman natin if a certain number is divisible by 9, all you have to do is you're going to add all the digits of that number. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, therefore, that certain number is also divisible by 9. Example, we're going to test if 123,453 is divisible by 9. So, para matest natin that if this number is divisible by 9, all you have to do is we're going to add all the digits. Okay, so add lang po natin yung lahat ng digits. So, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 18. Then, tingnan natin po na yung sum. Is 18 divisible by 9? Yes, tama mga boss. Since the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, therefore, we can conclude that 123,453 is also divisible by 9. Next example, we're going to test if 4,104 is divisible by 9. Again, we are going to add all the digits. So, 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 4, the sum is 9. Is 9 divisible by 9? Yes, absolutely right. Or it is divisible by 9. So, therefore, 4,104 is also divisible by 9. Next, we're going to discuss the divisibility rule for 11. So, in order to determine if a certain number is divisible by 11, all you have to do, you get the sum of the odd numbered digits minus the sum of the even numbered digits. So, if the difference is divisible by 11, then that certain number is also divisible by 11. Again mga boss, ulitin ko lang para malaman natin if a certain number is divisible by 11, ang gagawin na natin is we're going to get the sum of the odd numbered digits and subtract it by the sum of the even numbered digits. Say for example, we have 34,871,903. So we're going to test that if this number is divisible by 11. So yung unang gagawin natin mga boss is we are going to add the odd numbered digits, or we're going to get the sum of the odd numbered digits. So yung first digit is magmumula or mag-uumpisa po tayo sa right side going to the left side. So this is the first digit. The first odd digit number or odd number digit is 3. So we have here 3 plus, okay, the next odd number digit is 9 plus, next is 7 plus, and the last is 4. So this is for the odd numbered digits. So the sum is equal to, we have 1623. Okay? Next, yung natira mga boss na digit is for the even numbered digits. So we have 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 3. Okay? So this is for the odd numbered digits. So this is equal to 12. This is for the even numbered digits, the sum of the even numbered digits. After yan mga boss is subtract lang natin yung the sum of the odd numbered digits at saka yung sum of the even numbered digits. So if you're going to subtract, this is 1, this is 1. Now, i-test natin yung difference. The difference is 11. Is 11 divisible by 11? Yes, tama mga boss. So therefore, we can say that 34,871,903 is divisible by 11. Okay, another example, we're going to test if 3,525,269 is divisible by 11. Again, we are going to get the sum of the odd number digits. So, mag-uumpisa tayo sa right side going to the left side. So, this is the first odd number digit. So, we have 9 plus, next is 1, 2, 3. So, 3, the odd number digit. So, 2 plus 4, 5, ito. 2 plus 5, 6, ito. Okay? If we're going to add, the answer is 16. Tama? Okay. So, this is for the odd numbered digits. So, yung natira is for the even number digits. So, kukunin na natin ulit yung sum. So, you have 6 plus 5 plus 5. So, that is also equal to 16. So, this is for the even. Now, if we're going to subtract the sum of odd number digits and even number digits, so 16 minus 16, that is equal to 0. So, is 0 divisible by 11? Yes, tama mga boss. It is divisible by 11. So, therefore, 3,525,269 is divisible by 11. I hope may natutunan naman kayo mga boss sa ating bagong videos. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa pagsuporta. Thank you and God bless.